approaching the grade from the east, about 8.5 miles east of the airport, with Romeo inbound for a full stop 26.
Cardinal 29495, camera tower, say your position and altitude.
We have the grade 8.3 miles east of the airport, altitude 3,500.
Cardinal 295, you're in the temporary flight restriction area. Are you aware of that, sir?
No, sir, I am not.
Cardinal 495, you see a couple of F-16s shadowing you?
Yes, I saw that. Sorry about that, 495.
Cardinal 495, okay, make straight in for runway 26. When you do get on the ground here, I'm going to have a number for you to call. I think there's some people who are going to want to talk to you.
Roger that, 495.
Cardinal 495, say altitude.
Altitude 3,495.
Thank you, Cardinal 495. There's an F-16 behind you on your left and a little bit lower.
I saw the F-16 earlier. I didn't see him now. 495.
Cardinal 495, make straight in, runway 26, cleared to land. And when you get on the ground, I'm going to have a phone number for you to call.
Roger that, 495.
Cardinal 495, Camarillo ground. Continue ahead. We're going to have you park at the base of the tower. At your current location, you can shut down. Law enforcement needs to come over and talk to you, and they'll be looking for you there. Cardinal 495, you can monitor frequency and remain with the aircraft.